When we are talking about our car, then as we all know that it mostly depends upon battery power. There are so many batteries in the market with a lot of features, powers, and durability, and also in the price point of view. We have selected 5 best rated and famous car batteries in the market. Number 1, ACDelco 94 RAM, Professional AGM 94 battery. When we are talking about car batteries, then the first name which will come to our mind is ACDelco. It is the top car battery in the whole market. It is safe from the leaking point because of its vent cap. It holds the electrolyte in the separator. Matte glass. The battery life is much longer than normal batteries. Number 2, Optima batteries 8004. RedTop starting. It is the top rated car battery in the market. It is able to help you in very hard conditions than other batteries. It is safe and stable for in other situations, for road use. Its combustion power is very compatible and easily manages its work. Number 3, Kinetik HC600 VLU series, high current AGM car audio, power cell battery. This battery is little and looks modest. The Kinetik series is a popular choice among people. It is a 600 watt battery, and when it is step out to a loudspeaker, it can shake out 800 amps. Its audio system holes are things of exceptional fame. Number 4, Odyssey PC 680 battery. Well, through this car battery, you can feel tension-free and relax without any problem. It has a strong and power pack energy. It has a leak-proof AGM design. It can also accommodate shocks and vibrations. It is more durable than other batteries. Number 5, Optima batteries 8040 YellowTop. Dual-purpose battery. It is not like other general car batteries. It performs all functions and works in an effective manner. All devices like AV sound systems, winches, and hydraulics work great with that system. It is a reliable and durable source of power. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.